Friend, I want to tell you why I built the ARC, the Accelerator for Remarkable Craftspeople. No pitch, just what it is. If you make music in your home studio and you want to make a real living from it, this is for you. This is a different way. This is a proven way. A way that I've been walking for over 20 years. Over 1,000 projects for some of the biggest brands in the world on 3 different continents. Nike, Google, Adidas, BMW, many more. And along the way, I've taught countless musicians on how to make a living right from their home studio, walking this way. This way has nothing to do with streams. This way has nothing to do with selling your music. This way has nothing to do with building a fan base, running a content treadmill, trying to go viral. Simply put, this is bespoke music for big brands. Some people don't know what bespoke means. It just means custom. Made from scratch. Custom work that you get commissioned for. A real company with a real budget saying, make me something precise that will fit my campaign, commercial, or content like a glove. I'm willing and able to pay you for it. Before we get into how this path works, let me make it real for you through this one guy, Stian. Now, Stian is a great singer-songwriter. He could always make music. What he couldn't always do is see how he could actually make a living from it. When he first ran into what we do, he probably saw my talking head on his Instagram feed. He thought it was a scam. Straight up. Too good to be true. But then he saw a testimonial from his friend that I actually happened to work with on the big brand campaign, and he said, what the hell, I'm going to take the leap. And so he did. Fast forward to today, Stian has worked on over 300 campaigns for some of the biggest brands in the world. Brands like McDonald's, Toyota, even the White House. Yes, the White House is a brand too. Stian even managed to quit his day job because writing music for big brands allows him to pay his bills and still have time left over to work on his own music. Isn't that beautiful? That's the whole thing. So you might say, okay, that's nice for Stian, but how does a musician, how do I actually get there? What do I need to do to get commissioned? The first thing to do is understand your destination. The difference between amateurs and pros is that amateurs doodle and dabble. They spend days, weeks, months, years, decades doodling and dabbling. And that's why many of them reach a point when they're discouraged because they realize all this time and they haven't actually moved their music career forward. Now the pro approaches it differently. The pro has a focus. They have a destination, a concrete destination. And it is this destination that determines what actions they take each day to get them closer to that destination. So the question for you is, do you have a destination? We built the ARC to reach one destination, 2 words, commission ready. Everything we do points at that, commission ready. Now, anytime you have a goal, anytime you have a destination, there are going to be challenges. And I see 3 main challenges for most musicians. First, the craft. And I don't just mean making music. I mean actually scoring to picture for big brands, for their campaigns, commercials, and content. Most musicians have never scored a single commercial in their life. And this is its own world. This is its own craft. A custom musical problem that needs a custom musical solution made from scratch to the specification of the brief. Now that is where the AI, the robots, the machines are failing. They just can't dial it in as precisely as a remarkable craftsperson can. And this is why the great brands know if we want to stay relevant, if we want to stick in the minds and hearts of our audience, we better have a bunch of remarkable craftspeople working on our campaigns. So that's number 1. It's the craft. The number 2 thing that's going to stand in the way of most musicians is the showcase. And here's the catch, right? How do you build a showcase, a reel, out of work that you have never done? So inside of the ARC, we get you to score real briefs, real campaigns, real commercials, and then you get feedback, real feedback, not feedback from your mom, your grandma, your cousin, your friend who thinks everything you do is wonderful. Nope, you get feedback from a real insider, a real industry professional. They're going to tell you exactly where you stand and exactly where you need to go. You see, this is the biggest problem that most musicians have. You're working on your musical dream in your basement Sometimes you get excited about it, sometimes you're doubtful about it, but you have no real feedback from the kind of person who's able to tell you, hey, this is good enough to actually get you paid. This was exactly the case with Stian. Stian was creating remarkable music, and maybe he even knew that, but he had no idea where he stands in relation to our industry. It only took me one homework to tell him, Stian, you're great, you belong in this business, go. And he still tells me to this day that was the unlock. To hear that from an industry insider, to get the green light, to get the permission, was worth his entire investment. So this is not about more theory, more learning, more screwing around with the plugins. No, we go in the kitchen, we cook real dishes, the pros taste them, they tell you if the taste is ready to be shared with the industry, and if it is, great, you move forward, and if it's not, we tell you exactly what to do to improve the craft, so that your craft can actually become a part of a remarkable reel. And the number 3 roadblock that stands between you and being commission ready is connections. As far as our business goes, you probably have none. How do you get them? You don't. Not without the craft, not without the showcase, not without knowing how to contact an industry pro and how to show them what you actually do. I know this is a scary prospect for many of you, but this is exactly what you're going to have to overcome in order to become commission ready. The good news is none of the pros in the business, not me, not my peers, not Stian, had anything on their reel when they were trying to break in. We all started with exactly 0 pieces in our portfolio. So the good news, none of these barriers are impossible to overcome. All of these blocks, barriers, challenges have been overcome by countless musicians. Craft, showcase, connections. The 3 roadblocks become our 3 biggest focuses inside of the arc. These are 3 concrete challenges that we actually turn into assets. 3 assets, 1 goal. You remember the goal? 2 words, commission ready. So how do we actually do it? We do this in 12 weeks. 12 milestones, moving through 5 essential things in this order. Number 1, the self, yourself. Your mindset, your habits, your rhythms, your unique superpower. Do you know what that is? The thing that makes you, you. The unique thing that you can offer to the marketplace so that you have no competition. Most musicians will never take time to identify it, and that's one of the first things that we do. Once you know the self, you got to move on to number 2, the marketplace, the business. How does this industry work? Who are the people? Where is the money? What is the process I need to learn for the money to come from the brand through the music production company and then land into my account? That's the business. Once you know yourself and once you know the business, we move on to the number 3, the craft. This is time in the kitchen. Not just reading recipes, but cooking real dishes, scoring real briefs, brief by brief, until you're creating goosebumps. Because all the dishes you're going to cook in the kitchen, we're going to select the best ones and create your portfolio out of your best dishes. Which brings me to number 4, the showcase. We're going to teach you how to showcase your superpower in ways that actually resonate with those who are able to commission you. So this is your reel and your website. Crisp, clear, compelling, built so that the right person gets it in one click. And once we have all of that, we move to number 5, which is the outreach, making connection with the industry. We teach you about mindsets that most musicians will never adopt. How to go for the person and not the project, so you can get the person and then get the project. How to create relationships and connections so that the projects just keep on coming. There's very specific ways to do it. And again, it's ways that most musicians will never know. Self, business, craft, showcase, outreach. 12 weeks up the mountain. Commission ready at the top. And you're not going to be doing this alone with a pile of videos to watch on your own. That's the part that matters most. You're going to be climbing alongside other serious, dedicated, committed musicians who are serious about reaching that destination of being commission ready and actually making money right from their home studio. So you're traveling with kindred spirits. You will also get the tools that give you the biggest traction. The directory of exactly who to reach. The outreach playbook written by one of my former students who is now full-time on the inside of the business. And he's also a mentor inside of the ARC. We have live conversations with industry insiders, people who are actually able to commission you. Weekly live calls where we get together. You share your struggles, you share your successes. You get feedback on your work, you get your questions answered. No AI chatbots, no avatars. Real human beings, real conversation, real progress. All of this in a rhythm. Accountability, connection, and feedback from pros, so you always know where you stand and exactly where you need to go next. This is a proven curriculum that has produced countless success stories. Musicians just like you, not knowing anything about the business, to getting their first project, and then many more beyond that. And not because it was easy, but because they didn't do it alone. As Uncle Z likes to say, if you want to take off, you got to stop flying solo. Now, I have to be real with you. The ARC is by application only. We only handpick 25 people per cohort. This is on purpose. Any more than that, and the individual attention and the feedback start to fall apart. The ARC is a special place, and we reserve it for the highly committed, highly engaged, highly motivated musicians who are ready to invest their time and energy. And that's the whole point of this thing. When you apply, one of two things happen. Either you're ready for the ARC, or we send you to the park first. The goal of the ARC is to get you commission ready. The goal of the park is to level up your production until you're ready to enter the ARC. That's why PARC stands for Production Accelerator for Remarkable Craftspeople. A place to level up your skills before you build your reel. Either way, you end up in the right room. If you want to see how this actually works before you ever apply, I run a free workshop called The Hidden Path, recorded at one of the premier studios in Toronto that works with some of the biggest brands in the world. I give you a studio tour. I tell you exactly how much money musicians in our industry make and exactly what you need to do to break into the industry. The link is in the description below. I'll see you there. And lastly, friend, your gift is not an accident, and there is dignity in being paid for it. From my heart to yours, take courage and move forward on what matters to you most.